Hello my fellow YouTuber, welcome back to my channel. This is Marcelina at CashewGreens.com. In today's video, we will be covering on azalea, on how to grow and care azalea indoor. Alright, before we continue this video, if this is the first time you come across my gardening channel, please consider to subscribe below. Also, don't forget, click the bell so you can get notified on my next new video. If you want to see more videos on azalea, just click the video you see on the top, both side corner of the screen at the end of this video. So let's get started and see me on the other side. Alright guys, I was not planning to do another video on azalea because I already have video on azalea. But I run into different questions of different people asking like, can you grow azalea indoor? So my answer to this is yes, of course, you can. Like any other house plant you grow inside your house, you can also grow azalea indoor. But there are few requirements that you will need to take in order for you to successfully grow this plant indoor. Now keep in mind that the azaleas you buy in the store are commercially grown inside the greenhouse. Like my azalea, I grow my azalea inside my greenhouse. As you can see, look at my azalea guys, it's so beautiful, isn't it? It's so awesome, like, right? So look at that, it's beautiful, nice flower, nice foliage, because this plant is happy where it is grown. Now, the roof is filtered, the azalea needs at least 6 hours of indirect sunlight. So there is a good filtration in my greenhouse. Humidity is controlled, so azalea like a little bit cooler temperature. So I change the temperature from 65 degrees to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a perfect range for azalea inside the greenhouse. Now here's the problem. If you are going to get my azalea and grow them right away into your garden, this plant will suffer because there will be an environmental shock. The temperature inside the greenhouse is different than the temperature outside. The temperature outside is by nature, and here is human made because you are the one who control it. So there will be a huge difference when you grow them. Now my advice, if you are going to buy azaleas in the store or buy azaleas in any other grower, select a grower that has a reputation, good reputation, and also select the plants that has a beautiful foliage like this one, and then you grow them. Don't grow them right away. So what you need, keep 2 days in your house, then 2 days in the outside, then you have to do it back and forth for a week or two until the plants get used to the changes of the environment. Don't plant them right away. And I'm going to show that to you guys in this video. I will give you some video clips, so I want you guys to stay the course till to the end. Don't click away because there are different activities that I will be sharing with you on this video, and see you at the closing. Enjoy! Guys, this is a quick video. I hope you like it. And if you have any questions or concerns, just write your comments below this video. Also, don't forget to share with all your friends. And if you like the video, consider to subscribe. And see you next week. Bye-bye.